You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's see how those two names are pronounced. Are they pronounced any differently at all whatsoever? Well, let's see. The top name here can be pronounced Aaron, Aaron, but in practice, not many people pronounce it that way. The bottom name is generally pronounced as Erin, Erin, Erin. Now, Aaron is also pronounced Aaron. So, Erin, Erin, Aaron, Aaron, Aaron. There are slight variations of how the first letter is pronounced. A, E, A. There are different ways. Aaron, Erin, Erin, Aaron. How do you pronounce those two? I pronounce the top word Aaron and the bottom name Erin. How do you pronounce them? Do you pronounce them differently? Erin, both of them? I think most people pronounce them both Erin. Aaron, Erin, Aaron. How do you pronounce them? Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.